guys, how are you? Hope you will be fine. So guys, today we are going to show you best crockery kitchen designs and best cabinet designs. So guys, simple yet stylish manner get more of well utilized space of your dining area, kitchen or living room with elegant crockery unit. Crockery units are made to make your dining area look more elegant, well managed, sharp and amazing. They are not just installed to put in the glass stuff but also to exhibit the best your crockery collection to your friends. So guys, there are many best designs. So guys, check our designs and select best design for your crockery cabinet design. So guys, let's check other designs. Check out these unique crockery unit designs to organize your kitchen or dining room and elevate the overall look of your home. So guys, let's check more designs. How do you arrange a crockery cabinet? By vertically stacking them in a caddy, you ensure they are seen, take less space and easy pull to out. Use a large container or box to store all the miscellaneous items that were tiny or used occasionally. Just these few steps can help you create an organized crockery cupboards. These pictures and these designs are very useful for you if you want to arrange your crockery cabinet so likely. So guys, let's check other design. So guys, this was our today's video. We'll meet in next video and next design. So kindly subscribe our channel and like our video for more videos. Goodbye and thanks for watching.